Hi, kindergarten. We're going to do some subtraction today, but we need to start thinking of subtraction like a story because we want you to be able to explain or tell or make up your own subtraction story. So let's look at the first one we have. So our job is to answer all of the questions in here, and we can use the picture to do that. Okay, it says there are blank and then a picture of dolls. So they want to know how many dolls in all. That means all of the dolls. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 dolls in all. Grace takes blank dolls from the bookshelf. How many did Grace chip? How many did Grace take? It tells us. 2. Grace took 2 dolls from the bookshelf. Now it says blank is and So we need to know how many we had. We had 3 is 2 and 1. 3 is made up of the numbers 2 and 1. How many dolls are left on the shelf? It says 1 doll is left on the shelf. Let's make a subtraction sentence. So we start with the number that we had from up top, the number in all from that sentence. We started with 3 dolls. Then we take away 2 dolls. Remember, we always put the equal sign. 3 minus 2 is 1. Let's try another one. Okay, this one's about pumpkins. So we want to know there are blank pumpkins in all. How many pumpkins do we have in all together? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 pumpkins in all. Maria takes, how many did Maria take? She takes 1 pumpkin. How many are left in the truck? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3. So what is 4 made up of? We want to take the number 4 and break it apart. So we know from this picture, 4 can be split into the numbers 3 and 1. There are 3 pumpkins left in the truck. So if we start with 4 pumpkins, is our number sentence, and Maria takes 1, how many are left? 4 minus 1 is 3. There are 3 pumpkins left on the truck. Let's keep going and do another. This one says, how many mice are not eating? Well, first we have to go back and figure out how many do we have all together. There are blank mice in all. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 mice in all. How many mice are eating? 2. There are 2 mice eating. So 5 is made up of one group of 2. And how many other mice are not eating? Let's go back. Cross and count again. 1, 2, 3. So 5 is 2 and 3. 3 mice are not eating. Let's write a number sentence. 5 minus 2 equals 3. And I bet they're very hungry. Let's go look at this one. These green things are called tractors. Let's see how many there are in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many tractors do we have? There are 5 tractors in all. The farmer drives away. How many tractors did he drive away? 1 tractor. So we're going to look to figure out what is 5 made up of. 5 is 1. And if you don't remember from our cross and count, let's go back and do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is 1 and 4. How many tractors are left? 4. 5 minus 1 equals 4. Now, you have a math worksheet to go off and do today on Monday. Another thing that you can go and do is create your own math number story, just like the ones we've done. You don't have to do all of the writing. Let me show you what you can do. In Seesaw, you can make your own math story. In Seesaw, it's pretty cool because you guys can use the emojis. I don't have emojis in this, I'm going to use shapes. Here's my number story. I had 4 hearts. I give 1 to my buddy, Miss Grossback. How many hearts do I have left? I'm going to write my number sentence. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Is that something that you can do? It's a challenge for today. If you're up for it, go into Seesaw and create your own math subtraction story. You can also just make a video, or if you really want to, you can just tell it to your parent or a sibling. Remember, we're in this together. Go Huskies.